Laravel, the most efficient backend framework. I'm Yash, working as a backend engineer at AleaIT Solutions. I'm going to brief you about Laravel. Laravel is free open source PHP framework that is being created by Taylor Otwell, which is being used by anyone to create web applications. So Laravel is based on MVC architecture, which is model, view, and controller. Offers built-in features like auth routing. Its elegant syntax makes it easy to use. Also has a large community base, so finding solution to a problem is quite easy. Some other useful features include validating data, storing files, unit testing, and maintenance. So Laravel offers some powerful tools like Eloquent ORM, Bleed templates, and Xdebug. Laravel powers many real-world applications across industries like e-commerce sites, CMS and blogging platform, and enterprise apps. So a useful fact about Laravel is it uses middleware to filter and process HTTP requests. So at AleaIT Solutions, we are working at many domains like healthcare, finance, travel, and AI. To know more facts about Laravel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon.